Hello to everybody. My name is Soul Sister Ann, and I play the drums. I make music with my guitar, an electric one too, a drum. I use synthesizer. But one of my most beloved drums is my African drum that is made, as you can see, I'm going to pick this up, out of a tree stump. And it has, I believe, goat hair and goat skin. And
if your family is well off, wow, they can buy you toys of joy, of joy. They can buy you toys of joy. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. It starts out with playing with toys. If your family is well off, they can buy you toys of joy. If you are poor, you make toys out of wood and dirt. In life, this pattern will continue on and on, yeah. It will continue on and on. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Many things will happen. You have reached midlife. You heard what I said. Where did the time go by? Oh wow, oh, oh wow. Midlife, it starts with playing with toys. If your family is well out, they can buy you toys of joy, toys of joy, toys of joy, love. If you are poor, you make your toys out of wood and dirt. In life, this pattern will continue on and on and on. Oh wow, midlife, where the time fly by. You have reached midlife, where the time go by. Oh wow, now you see, you still have your toys, but they come in many forms. You got a car, you got a house with plenty of toys. Oh wow, midlife, you do some crack during your younger days. Did you do some cocaine? Did you do some heroin? Yeah, you lost all your teeth, but that's the way life goes with those toys.